Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Yeah, my people, now good morning to everybody. This me very bright Uyiedo talk show. Probably master husband to a single mother. But waiting the transfer for social media based on the fact say me I never want to come and talk based on the fact say I lost somebody. I don't want to come out for social media come talk about early freaking. Waiting atitit talk, and one thing about me, I'm so very patient with people. I'm very patient, and when the person turn my gentility to stupidity, I'll deal with the person at the affair bright. Why they talk this thing now? Why I say I'll come and come talk about the issue of early freaking, my darling sister. And apropos gossiper and all that presenter and precious men. Why come out? Say I'll clear the coast. I hate lies. The parents say I dey work because I dey work, so now I make I want to talk because if I close for work, I will come at work, come deliberate on the issue. Why they talk this thing? Me a very bright. Wetin dem talk, wetin be say the people wey be say want because this problem, wey be say dem bring something come out, come talk wetin not wetin be lie. And this thing wey dem dey talk, wey be say they come dey talk, wey everybody no understand when they talk about early freaking. And they come mess up, come fuck up, come remember no know say this is particular thing. Now wetin involve a very bright, where the lie, where they be one set, and the women were involved, everybody were involved, where they say the one use lie, they do something. You understand? But based on that fact, I, a very bright, I'll come out, I'll come talk up, passa. So me, a very bright, I'll come out, come talk the particular issue. When this thing happen, good morning. When this thing happen, good morning, mega prime precious man. This issue of the picture, where they say they see about early freaking, where I say me atitit, I call atitit, may come out, he say go come out, come correct the mistake, the way he talk, he never correct, come out. But I talk God thank glory, say the lie where they be want talk, where be say the collaboration, the phone where they want to put to my sister Ellie Freaky, that said that me a very involved for the issue. And based on that fact, me a very I don't invest for the issue. You know why I don't invest now? Me personally call atitit. I don't call atitit sister. He say go do video, never do. But if he not do, me I the invest. He tell me say today, tell me yes, never do. And if he not do, me I be very make bina boy bina anywhere. My very bright, imagine this day, anything, I don't give a fuck. He was bina, and even more, bigger noble. He am mutu can you, but we are aware of provoking you, may not tie. So, a minute, I talk to atitit. I tell atitit, say, atitit. Come out on this video, he tells me, give me I never do what I come out of video the vessel. Because I see apropos gossip, all of the carry fake rumor, fake allegation, put them for war, waiting in talk one. But me, I want to let Piano. Because now what are they? Kesha. È caduto?
Sì.
Tu girato?
No, perché l'ho dovuto girare quando li mettete i cartoni.
Sì.
Non li schiacciate perché poi sono costretto a fare così. Capito?
Okay. So now make I send me. I want clear the air. As I want clear the air, so I want let people know this thing. What did they talk about mama? So because why I they do this thing? Because I dey work, me and the verse. Me and the verse come up for work, me go sit down for I do the program. Because why? I know one verse. Me with man, when we see talk, even talk, say he go come up my program, he go come talk. Clear, say he never talk to me, go clear. But I tell her, Titi, because of what you talk, come out for air, clear the goals. This person, this and the picture. Now me even did the picture. Now nobody say now uyiedo take picture. Now you say now if a married woman is a sleep to other person, which is wrong. But me, FAE, I go clear the air. Make people know the allegation, the lie, and everything. And I go bring the picture. Now me, FAE, they don't, you don't know, say not me. And they ask and they say no. But I'm coming out to clear the air. That is why I want to make everybody understand. Immediately I close for work. When I get to I will clear that. And if I start to declare the this thing may not go result to quarrel. And if it result to quarrel, because I talk to man like me, no one take my own. Who blame me? I worry me. More fair. In social media, when you call, no, doesn't mean I'm stupid. It doesn't mean I'm foolish. It doesn't mean I'm mad. Because if when you know put your tongue, I will not keep quiet. But don't take me for my gentility to stupidity. When a man take me my gentility to stupidity, I put him down. I don't take those nonsense because I stand. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. I'm not stupid. Every period the way if a more man, I don't go your way and the same thing my person. I work below, that is why. Let me put the name, put every name, put precious name, put my name. Because this thing involve all of us. Picture where you see, when you take accuse mama, na me, na FAE, na the picture. So my people, that is why me FAE, now I make when we say at the verse, me even they accuse for some the verse because the picture they never even say una not see her. And both people where go give when I make a talk, say if I reach out, I'll do the program and I'll call her, he go talk because I tell her say I will call her because he go talk clearly. This is not make me the verse because I give atitit, tell atitit do video. He say go do. He don't tell me 2 minutes do video. He go do today. Yesterday not do today never do. I call her. He said nah. Me I be work. They tell me say if he go do. I be worker. Not be worker day so. I be worker. So me I want to detect everything. I not be worker. I want to not be worker day so. I want to detect everything. I want to detect everything. Now work me at this so. I be at the play. I want to detect everything. All this like we don't swear the woman. That is why I want to clear the air. I want to detect everything. Since I don't talk to atitit, please come out, talk to this woman. You know what? Come out, talk to this woman. If they make me the verse, as far I not come and talk to her, you not come and come defend, you not come and come clear. Say make they know say, see wetin happen, make it clear, make they know say. So now precious make take us that picture, precious make take us that picture, and precious make never send me the picture. So this thing when out the year say they say precious make, it talk say if they feel say me want set my own mama, my own sister, I'll become surprised. I go say my own person picture they never send me my own picture. I'll take picture. Well, Asa. So the thing. He go to vex me. So now I make a talk say today I am coming out to come talk everything because I need to clear the air. Make people know the lie and the fake information were involved because I don't want because our person go lost person, my person go die. At the same time, I lost person. As I lost person, my person die. You see come out, go they pull another lie. They say, okay, when I hear different things, the thing go they make me different. That is why I say me FAE, I'll come out, come clear the air, make everybody know exactly what is happening. Not be to lie for person. Now me the picture. Now me the person come and never now me the picture. You now me the picture. Okay, why Frank even rest? He see say Frank detest say na fair the picture. He see say na fair the picture. Now Frank come say ah, I fair your picture. Now Frank say no. Now Frank even send me the picture. Frank now make me understand the picture. Say see what is the ground. See why. Now Frank can't even make me know say see the picture. Now Frank can't give me the picture. Where be say I can't the verse say ah this picture precious make no send me. Now he put on for war. And when I hear say president say if he say I want to go set mama up, I no give mama. Does he come pay me? So for today he they make me the verse. Now make I say I go clear on. Now I say I go clear on. Now make I say I call him. Call him. I thought if not be Frank, give me the picture. I call no. You understand? So you understand? If Frank cannot tell me, I will not know the inner heart. Now different like they come from me. You understand? Ask me say now today I start to take picture. Eh? Now ask me whether now today I start to take picture. Now make a talk say if I true today I can't come and can't talk the issue. So if immediately I finish, I'm coming out to talk about you feel calling if you want calling. If you call it because later I will come out, can't do the video where because I did work, so I do my working uniform because I did work, but I go come out, can't do the video where I go sit down, do the video where because this thing they don't they push me because atitit I say come out or what you talk. Frank, oh, who they call me? Hello? Hello?
I say good morning.
Good morning.
I say, you know what it is? I just say, you know, go, you are like a brother to mama. And now me invite you for that time. And I mean, what talk you and mama that? You understand? Like I just tell you the fact, these people, they never talk to now because of some people when they call them, they threaten them. Maybe now make them come say, now Facebook, they see the picture, now make them think. Do not be person where everybody don't know. That picture is very clear. Even when you did that party, you do live video, everybody just did that party. The person I bring mama matter can't give these people. Because when we call atitit yesterday, say, atitit, who gives you this case where you dey handle so? Best way stay off my hand. Atitit say no say that my mama, he go come and go apologize. So I say okay, but he be the best way that mama matter can't give you. He say whether me not say they get for everywhere, they get agents for everywhere. So why he not tell me that moment say na picture when they see for Facebook? And where is it written say person with man no go fit take picture for party? Me and you take picture. Me and Najabo take picture. Me and my big daddy will go for Nigeria. We take picture. But all the pictures stay together for Facebook. Why they no bully those ones? Why be saying that mama? Oh, you don't understand. And I might tell you what. They won't turn this day. They don't want to bring that person away. For the command because but it don't hurt that person. That person I don't say don't set. You know understand? That means they won't go say na Facebook they for see the picture.
No, that picture make
listen to me first, my dear. Not if today was start to the go past. That day, a lot of people take pictures with you as a Facebook celebrity where you be. Okay, why they don't go carry all those ones picture when they take with you? May they come they bully them. Why this is only mama particularly? Me, I take picture with different people and I post it. Why they not bully me? Why come listen to mama? And not only that, the time when they say fan video, me not watch them. But mama say, the time when fan video come, they talk about mama. One woman come call. They say the woman come say make fan video not put her for speaker. Who be that woman? Who be that person? And before Frank speaker, Frank come they say, mama we call it mama they come put her for here. Say no, every speaker. Who be that person? Because you know what, my dear brother. Jealousy, na very bad thing. Now people wey know mama, people wey they jealous of mama.
But okay, we don't see what can happen. Now make I say I'll do a later, but I do work. Okay, wait, pass. Hold on, because I did work. Okay, not for if one part. Excuse me, pass. So I mean at the year now you say why the reason why you not send me those pictures, me one user and set mama up, now say my own sister. Now say precious man send me one user and set my own sister up. Which picture? I not start with everybody, I not snap with everybody.
I said that picture is like I know say this kind of thing go happen, that make me not send that to you.
You say that to me, not the picture, now picture when me snap, now me go put up on my wall. I they put up picture for my wall. Not me they snap picture.
Yes, you know you ask me somebody saying the picture where you and mama take go.
Yes.
I can't tell you say no. I can't say you know the days on my phone, but send that later. I can't jump. Because I can't say if you go post and now they go think say maybe go and mama don't know what you do. Let me post myself poster. You understand me?
Yes.
Let me put myself poster. If I start people me their advice, for me they don't go fit from there. Come. They bully you, you know say Ajebo get the picture, and you know say then with Ajebo for now get problem, you get the picture, me get the
because,
picture.
okay,
pictures many way we take. So why you come to say now let mama home? Now they come they bully.
Are they here?
Now that one me want know.
No, I just again.
What do me want when you talk? Now who bring mama matter for the next?
If the picture, me for no even know, if not be say Frank, come tell me, say, see me, Frank, now come give me say, see the picture, see why he comes to say, now I fair himself. Now, okay, what you go happen if I close later, I will come and maybe by, now I put on for 3:30 or 3 o'clock.
No, 3 o'clock I not there because I go put pressure for 4 o'clock, they okay.
Okay, if now 4, that means now I put on for 5 because if I close now, I'll pick my daughter for school. 5 go do okay now.
Okay.
5 go do okay, I'll do the program.
What do you want me we start first? Me no want me they no picture. There's not the only way they go party they take picture with people.
Why the best? I call her Titi say this thing don't make me a precious snake quarrel. I say Titi.
Yes, sir.
I say for me to do the come with you. I say I want me do come and come talk clear the air. This person my sister come clear. And Titi say go come out. He never come out. And if they want to provoke me, if I dey talk to person, Titi come they provoke me. And Titi no want come out. Titi they come out. Okay, if not be frank, I for no know what they go on.
Huh? Okay, I say hold on. Okay. I know the attitude beg me yesterday go come and come apologize to mama. He tell me even give me time. Say no, not say because
that's what they try to pass and see. Okay.
Now you don't even know whether person will see for picture of mama, brother or any family relative. So why attitude don't come to me that picture?
You understand? Which is a wrong statement. So now make me first say because attitude promised me. Are they here?
I say what do we want to start now? We start with quick mama matter because already or don't we need not that person. Because this matter, now matter when they give them. When they give them, when they talk about this will not be picture because we not who be that person where come this time where for picture want to show mama picture come out where come say maybe make for picture don't put am for speaker me no say France like so make France not the table because you know because this thing that they go you know they tag France say France don't know mama Africa before. Frank don't do mama Africa.
Frank,
not there, my friend. Frank will listen to me. Frank not there, my friend. Listen, Frank not see anything I post except I accept a request, which he even send me request, but I never even accept request on Instagram. Still there. So without me not accept, I know she see my pictures for there, and those pictures where they Facebook. Fine, then my friend list of Facebook. She said, "We don't be that one the issue. Frank don't know mommy freaking now. Basically, our mama freaking matter to Frank and atitit.
And Frank, to God be the glory. Frank no insult mama freaking. Now you can't call Ellie or no that Ellie. You not talk to Frank no insult mama freaking.
No, Frank no insult mama freaking.
Nah.
Because someone will say, make it matter don't mistake. It matter don't be table not be. I see your picture. Your matter is say, me mama call and say matter don't.
Okay, waiting go happen. Wait, make I close. If I close for work, now make I want come and make them know say I'll come and later come do the thing. Make I come and later. Make I close. May I focus? Okay, may I close? Okay, later.
Okay, later.
my people, what I say, I go come and come talk because I dey work. Make I just work finish. After I don't work finish, later I go come talk about the issue. Because I don't want to make I work. After I don't choose for work, may I take my break. As I dey break, so may I take my break. So may I take coffee. Later I come talk about the issue. As now make I say make everybody know. So I greet everybody. I want clear the air. Make them know say wait till atitit talk now lie. Since you don't want to come and talk clear the air. I don't tell atitit, you don't want clear. So later I'm coming up myself. If you can't talk on. Now make I say make everybody know. So that make una know say waiting he talk now lie. So later me I will come and come clear the air. So I greet everybody. Later to everybody. Okay, Mona take care. Mona take care. Later. Ciao, ciao. Come up later. Ciao.
Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please support this channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Please like and share. Thank you all and bye. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.